Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can save your Google Photos to your gallery. So let's say I want to download some of my photo which was saved in my Google Photo. Well, I can easily enter into my Google Photo by downloading its app, and from over here it's going to show me all the photos and videos available in Google. Now some of the videos are already available in my device, and to know which photo is available in your device which is not, you guys can see over here this KSI cushion. Right beside the KSI cushion you can see this little cloud with a tick mark, which means this photo has been backed up on my Google Drive. But all these other photos and videos, they have not been backed up my Google Drive. So these are all available in my device. Let's say I want to download the photo of this KSI pillow. What I can do is hold on this picture. Once I hold on this picture, I get all these options at the bottom. What I can do is swipe right at the bottom option and choose save to device. Once I click on that, the photo or the video will start to download, and once the downloading is complete, it's going to be saved on my gallery. So I'm going to go on my gallery to see the photo which I just downloaded. And as you guys can see, it's available over here just like this. So that's how you guys can save Google Photo to your gallery. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.